We're going to learn how to find the area of sectors. So first we need to define what a sector is. A sector is that region between two radii and the arc. So really it's like the piece of pie here, or a piece of pizza, however you want to think about it. So this shaded area is called a sector. To find the area of a sector, we're just going to take the fraction of the whole area. Okay, so I don't want the entire area here. I only want this little fraction of it. So this is very similar to arc length. So we're going to start by finding the arc measure divided by 360 and multiply that times the area of a circle. So I tried to do a pictorial version of it and then the formula version. Here's our first example. We have a 45-degree central angle here, which means my arc measure is also 45. So area is going to equal 45 out of 360 times the area. We know area is pi r squared, so pi times 20 squared. Okay, so let's see if we can simplify this a little bit. So 45 out of 360 simplifies down to 1/8. And then we have times pi times, we have 400. Okay, so 1/8 times 400, that's going to be 50 pi. I better double check myself. Yep, 50 pi. Sorry, I doubted myself there. So we had 50 pi, and then that makes it square centimeters since we're talking area. Let's look at another example. So the area of the shaded region is 14 pi, and the radius is 6 centimeters. We want to solve for x. So we're trying to solve for the measure of the angle. So we're going to be working backwards here. So think about it. We know area is our fraction times the area of the circle. So we know 14 pi is going to be equivalent to x over 360 times pi r squared. Our radius is 6. So we have 14 pi equals x over 360 times 36 pi. Okay, so now I could divide both sides by pi. Okay, so my pi's here will cancel. So I have 14 equals, let's get rid of our 36 and 360. That will simplify into 1 over 10. So really I have x over 10. I can multiply then both sides by 10, and I have x equals 140. Now, you could type that into your calculator, right? You could divide both sides by 36 and then multiply by 360 up here, and you'd still get to 140, but I'm trying to show you that fraction work in your head a little bit so you can get better at that.